What's up, you guys? It's Jordan. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be working with StockX to bring you guys some very comfortable outfits, very cute for everyday wear, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I elevate them. One thing you guys have been hearing me harp on over and over again is how I'm determined to not leave my house ever looking too crazy. Now, that doesn't mean that we're done wearing sweatpants outside. It doesn't mean that I'm not gonna have comfy days outside, but I just feel like I found a way to style those comfy, laid-back outfits in a way that still gives chic and still gives elevated and still gives chic tried a little bit. Every outfit is going to be styled with a super comfortable shoe choice from StockX. If you guys do not know what StockX is, it is a really popular website where people go to shop for verified items. A lot of times it's things that you can't really find like in stores, or it's kind of rare on the market. So whenever people have like these grail items they're looking for, or an item that their favorite stores do not have, a lot of times StockX has those items. I know I harp on StockX all the time because there's just so many shoes that I've managed to collect from them that I could not find anywhere else. And I also love that the pricing was competitive as well. A lot of times the pieces act on bids, but so often I find that the price is so good, I just tend to buy it outright. Because y'all know, I don't like to wait, okay? If I want it, I'm gonna get it right now. All of the shoe pieces that you're gonna be seeing me wear, I will have on my list of StockX favorites, which will be in my description box. But you also will see a few other things that I've added to my favorites list that you will also see in this video, because they do carry more than shoes. From accessories, designer items, like you really just have to look. If there's something that you've been wanting but you can't find, I definitely recommend you check out StockX. It's just been a brand that I loved and trust for years now, and they have yet to let me down, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and go into the first day of the week outfit. Starting up close so you guys can see what kind of details we have going on. This first outfit is very like casual. So I would not say any of these are really work outfits because like I said, they are supposed to be effortless. So I just wanted to get really close so you could see like the actual details of what I have going on. At the base, this outfit is pretty much a simple sweater jeans outfit. And for my StockX verified shoes, I decided to go with the Adidas Samba. Now, you guys have heard me go in on how much I love an Adidas Samba. Loved it so much, I was like, okay, I need the other color. You guys know I have the black ones. I was like, okay, I need white too. You know, we're getting into spring pretty soon in a couple of months here. So, of course, I gotta have white as well. So I'm throwing these on with my Monday everyday outfit. Personally, I feel like there's nothing more everyday than a good pair of denim, especially like in America, American style. Like, what's more American than denim? Since for this look I was going for an everyday effortless look, I chose a pair of light denim because I feel like that's very, very casual, but also at the same time I chose a super baggy, super relaxed fit. So they're not tight, they're not constricting. I feel like I can still move around. We're not quite like at sweatpants comfort level, but it's still definitely not like your tight pants that take a little more effort to wear. Up at the top, I decided to pair it with a sweater. But the way that I elevated this was I decided to add a little button down underneath. You can go with any color, but I love to keep a white button down like on deck. I did not stop there, okay? I went ahead and decided to do like the popped collar look. I feel like a popped collar is super chic, especially with the double layer of the sweater and the button down at the same time. All in all together, I feel like this gives me a really casual, laid-back Monday outfit where I look cute, but I didn't have to do too much. For Tuesday's everyday chill outfit, I decided to go with one of my favorite things to wear when I really do not want to try too hard, but I still want to look really chic, and that is the two-piece set. Also, pairing a two-piece set with something as casual as a pair of sneakers is really, really going to set off the fact that you are just kind of being casual. It's just kind of an everyday outfit. For this everyday outfit, it only made sense to choose an everyday shoe, and for me, that is almost always a New Balance shoe. I decided to pick these New Balance 530s up from StockX. They have a beautiful colorway of like a silver and navy blue, and it just looks so good. I have so many New Balance sneakers, but I didn't have any that quite looked like this. I love a dad sneaker vibe, and one good thing about the dad sneaker, I feel like it's almost become like a timeless thing now. I remember at one point it definitely was like a super trendy thing, but now it's given timeless, okay? Like, what have we been doing? Dad sneakers for like 10 years at this point. You know, it's a little cold outside, so you don't really want to go with just like your set on. So I love to throw on a trench coat. Y'all know I'm a sick beside a trench coat forever and ever. Now, since we're still in winter for this one, I decided to go with like a darker trench coat. I also took it upon myself to style my jewelry for the day according to the colorway of my sneakers. I looked at this silver and I was like, oh, you already know we're wearing silver jewelry. I went with like simple silver earrings and then some simple silver rings. And we're also throwing in a silver bag to match, okay? We gotta stay on brand. But jewelry is just a super easy way also to elevate your everyday outfits. I think that might be the easiest way of all, actually, because your life really doesn't change when you throw on a pair of earrings or a necklace. All in all, with the combination of a good go-to comfy two-piece set, pairing it with a peacoat, and then throwing on some good comfortable dad sneakers, it doesn't get any cuter and more comfortable than that. Heading into my pick for my Wednesday everyday laid back outfit, I feel like it doesn't get more laid back. Like I said, you wear your jeans, but we're also wearing none other than a tank top today underneath all of this. But the absolute secret weapon of this outfit for comfort are my UGG Tasmans. These feel like a dream. Like, I have a lot of Uggs, okay? But I've got to say, these have to be the most comfortable. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be house slippers or what, but I've been wanting these for the longest time, and I put them on and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so mad that I took so long to get these. It almost feels illegal to go outside in the UGG Tasmans because I feel like you feel like you're wearing house shoes. As a matter of fact, these are more comfortable than my house shoes. I decided to go with the ones that have the really low sole because I didn't want to put in too much effort when I'm out walking around, because they do have them in the platform version as well. As you can see, they put the verification sticker at the bottom instead of with a tag, since these aren't sneakers. But yeah, I got them in this gorgeous little chestnut color, embroidery detail on them as well. With this outfit, I feel like I easily could have just made it a Coach's jacket with a tank top and jeans outfit, but if it was just that simple, I don't think it would be as elevated. So very easily, I just added a little wool cardigan. And there's something more chic and more interesting about just layering in general. And with it being so cold outside, it is easier like than ever to be able to do that. So I started with a basic white tank top. Like, I mean, you can find these in packs of multiple. People go to sleep in these, and I'm wearing it outside. Layering it with a really nice cardigan, I feel like quality matters as well. And then on top, going in with a gray oversized Coach's jacket. Now for the denim, again, I didn't go as baggy as I did for my Monday denim, but I did decide to go with more of my relaxed fit jeans. Besides what you guys have seen me do in the past few outfits, I love adding a big oversized cute bag. But for this one, I also decided to go in with some really nice glasses. I know y'all were laughing at me because I was talking about the office siren on one of my vlogs, but y'all, can you see like why it's so cute? Like, these are blue light glasses, so you don't have to wear prescription. I actually am blind, but I wear contact lenses. But just on top of that, I just added these little glasses, and I felt like that brought it up like a million. Like, it's still cute like this, but doesn't it look like I tried so much harder when I added the sunglasses? It's like, oh, she put this together, like, mwah. We're going again with the chunky gold hoops, and then I went back in with the little gold necklace. Since this is kind of a more masculine pieces that I'm putting together, I was like, let's go ahead and add the necklace in to make it a little more girly. Everything combined, I love it. I think she's so cute. Like, I'm gonna have to wear this again so I can actually like give pictures in it. But yeah, the Tasmans, they have my whole entire heart. It was so worth the wait to get these shoes. All right, now we are bringing it to my Thursday outfit. So when I think about everyday Thursday outfit, I think like Friday Junior. Like, you're trying to serve, but also just trying to make it. On Thursday, like, I want to put in a little more effort, but not quite, you know, as glamorous as I'm going to be the next day for Friday. Also, keeping true to the theme of only comfy shoes, I decided to go with the Adidas Campus sneakers. I'm trying something new with the Adidas Campus sneakers, okay? I've already told you guys, your girl is obsessed with Sambas. And I was like, okay, since I'm so obsessed with Sambas, I feel like we can take this further. I think it's safe to say I love an Adidas sneaker, so I want to try something different. Want to try something that like everybody else doesn't have so much. And I also like these because they are super chunky. They kind of give like more of that like skateboard shoe type of look. Also, if you pay close attention to the bottom sole, it's kind of got like this little off-white, which gives it a vintage sneaker look. And one thing about a sneaker that has a vintage look, it's definitely going to be timeless. Besides the fact that I went with sweatpants for the day, I feel like another easy way to look effortlessly chic is an all black outfit. Now I know I did like a combination of black and gray for this outfit, but I feel like gray can still go together with it. I told you guys before, I love wearing black because I feel like it looks really good on me, and it can be the most simple, easiest thing. And it's like, wow, it's giving mysterious. It's giving high fashion girl. Also, when it comes to effortless outfits, I love to tap into the 90s model aesthetic. The 90s models really knew what was up when it came to just looking really chic without having to spend all day in your closet deciding what you wanted to wear. Taking a page out of their book, I just went with a simple little crop top, a little stomach showing. And then we've got the black sweatpants. Now these are like my elevated sweatpants. Now the top and the pants, they're not a matching set. I was just trying to match colors, which I feel like cleans it up a lot. For this choice, I decided to go with my little gray long line peacoat. I also like that it has like the cinching in the waist. It's elevated, baby. So I threw that on top to contrast just a little bit with the black. I love this one so much. She's so cute. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all's favorite is. We have officially made it to the Friday OOTD. Now obviously you can tell this one is definitely giving fun Friday. You're definitely ready to get into the weekend. You want to be effortless, but I don't know about you, I tend to dress according to my mood. And if it's Friday, I know the weekend's coming and my mood is up. What is more fabulous and what is more fun than throwing on your best jacket? In this case, I decided to go with a fur jacket. And of course, so nice, I decided to get them twice. Another pair of the UGG Tasmans at the bottom. These are actually different from the other ones that you guys saw. Y'all saw me in the chestnut ones. I forgot, I want to say these are the mustard ones. Like I said, everything's going to be my favorites if I'm wrong about that name. These are more of a light taupey colorway, and then the stitching on them, there's no color on it. So if you're a very neutral girly, this might be the way that you want to go. I have been wanting these for so long, so I'm so glad that I went ahead and got them in 2 different tones, because you definitely can do 2 different things with these different colors. Like the other one I felt like was more of a casual outfit, but because this one is such a muted, like toned down color, I felt like I could really elevate it with this light color palette outfit. We've already discussed how layering is definitely going to help you when it comes to making an outfit more chic, even though it's a laid back outfit. But in this case, I decided to do it with the hoodie look. I feel like there's so many different ways that you can style a hoodie to bring it up. I mean, you can do a blazer, whatever your favorite outerwear is that you feel like automatically makes you look more put together. It's gonna be given fashion, okay? I decided to go extremely dramatic and go with my faux fur jacket, and you guys know apparently mob wife or whatever is in, so guess who's on trend as well. Regardless, a fur look is a very timeless look. Whether you're elevating your outfit or whether you're being dramatic, I feel like it can go either way, which is why I decided to style it with my cream colored sweatpants. Bonus points if you go for like one of your nicer set of sweatpants. If you're a sweatpants girl, I definitely recommend getting into some that have different looks on them. These, for instance, I get so many compliments on because they actually are like pleated in the front. So it kind of gives them like a trouser look, but they're literally just like active wear. They're also flared at the bottom. So instead of like that laid back jogger look, I feel like that also elevated the outfit a lot. Now, I'm not a big crossbody fan, but when it comes to a laid back outfit, I definitely feel like a crossbody is the best way to go. Like, think if you're going grocery shopping, or you know you're gonna go shopping and have a whole bunch of bags. You don't want to worry about your purse. You don't want to worry about your bag. So you really want something low fuss, and that's where the crossbody comes in. Now, me being extra, I went with one that has like a little gold chain, leather, so it still brings all of this together a lot. And also, I don't know if y'all noticed, but this particular hoodie actually has the finger holes as well, which I feel like also makes this an even more cuter thing. Like, I'm very big on the details, and I feel like all in all, when it comes to wanting to elevate your laid back outfits, you want to stick to what you always wear as far as your casual, everyday, comfortable outfit. But what you want to do is pay attention to the details. Small things like, yeah, you have a hoodie on, but oh, this one has finger holes. Your nails are done. You add like some cute outerwear, cute accessories. That's literally all it takes you guys. These are just some things that I have learned as I've been trying to enter into this more put together realm. I've definitely told you guys before, I do this because when I look better, I definitely feel better. So hopefully you guys have pulled something from this as well. But thank you so much to StockX for working with me on this. They made it super easy to show you guys some really good shoe options for if you want to do some very cute, laid back, comfortable outfits. And it also helped me show you guys a little bit more of my personal style nowadays. I do tend to tap more into the comfortable side of things. I don't know what it is, y'all. I think I'm getting older. But like I said, you can definitely go to the description box and find a lot of these accessories and all of these shoes on my StockX favorites list. Do not forget to let me know what your favorite outfit was. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did enjoy this or found it at all helpful. I will see you guys in next week's upload. Mwah.